to Bart McFly for posting or for letting us know about this in one of my comments on the other video with the other hack. Guys, this is a really good hack. For $50 more, you can get an impact driver. Well, not really $50 more, because if you guys put this with the circular saw, this is gonna come down to around $74 for impact driver, drill driver, 2 batteries, a charger, and a bag. I actually went ahead and canceled my other order and got this one with the impact driver. That's the one that I want. So I'll leave you guys the link down below in the description section. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more to review videos. That's the way YouTube works the platform, by subscribes and likes. Yes, guys, so this is the 18-volt brushless subcompact drill driver and impact driver combo kit with 2 amp hour batteries, charger, and a bag. This is $149. You go down here to the free gift with purchase. Obviously, this is the one that I want. This is the subcompact brushless multi-material, valued at $129. And then you got the brushless 3/8 right angle drill, valued at $139. And this is the best one to get with this. You're gonna get the combo cheaper if you select the compact brushless 6.5 circular saw, that valued at $149. Or you can get the one-handed reciprocating saw for $139. So yeah, definitely, if you're just looking to hack this, if that's what you want to do, well, this is the one you're supposed to select to get the cheaper. If not, then obviously you're gonna select the tool that you want or you need. All right, so guys, that's it for today. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, and we'll see you guys in the next one.